Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Higher Mathematics. In this video lecture, I am going to discuss next PYQ of Linear Algebra asked in IITJAM 2023. So our question is, let T from P2R to P4R be a linear transformation defined as T of Px is equals to P of x square, then rank of T is, and this is the option. So here the transformation is from P2 to P4, that is from T is transformation from P2 to P4, that is dimension of P2 is 3 and dimension of P2 is 3 and dimension of P4 is 5, that is n plus 1. So number of elements in P2 is 3. Which type of element is there here? 1, x and x square. So we will apply this px in this transformation and we get the result, and by using the matrix we will do this. So first T of 1 is equals to 1, T of x is equals to x square, T of x square is equals to x, and then x square raised to power 2, that is x ki power 4. So we will make the matrix by this transformation, that is 1 x and x square, 1 x, x square, x cube and x power 4. This is the matrix of what order? That is 5 cross 3 matrix, 5 cross 3 matrix. And here T of 1, T of x and T of x square. So T of 1, that is 1, 1, 0, 0, 0 and 0. T of x is x square. So 0, 0, x square is 1 and 0, 0. And T of x square is x ki power 4. That is 0, 0, 0, 0 and 1. So here we see the non-zero rows are this row and this row. So there is 3 non-zero rows and the mapping from 3 to 5. So non-zero rows are number of non-zero rows is equals to what? 3. And this linear transformation is from order 3 to order 5. And by rank nullity theorem we know that rank of matrix plus nullity of matrix is equals to what? Dimension of this, that is dimension of V, that is equals to 3. So here non-zero row is 3, and if non-zero row is 3, nullity is equals to 0 and is equals to 3. So rank of this matrix is 3. So our option third is correct. So this is a solution. By matrix method we will do this linear transformation and find this rank. So this is a solution. If you like this video, you can hit the like button, and for more such video you can subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubt, then you can comment below. Thank you for watching.